My name is Dr. Udaya Suresh Kumar. I am a consultant pulmonologist at KMC Hospital, Mangalore. So, what is obstructive sleep apnea or OSA? So, in today's time, this is a very alarming disease because it goes undetected. It is basically symptoms of snoring and excessive sleepiness in the daytime. There might be associated choking at the night, that is, you wake up with a sudden sensation of choking or breathlessness, which might not be noticed by you, might be told by the bed partner. These symptoms lead to excessive sleepiness in the daytime because of inability of good proper quality sleep in the night. This is basically seen in people with obesity. It can also be seen in thin people, but majorly seen in obese people with a high BMI. It can lead to other cardiovascular issues like uncontrolled hypertension, heart failure. It can also lead to increase in hemoglobin levels in the blood, wherein repeatedly blood has to be taken out. People might complain of early morning headaches, nightmares, unusual symptoms, dizziness, which is not being treated by anyone because they are not attributing to anything. So, how do you diagnose OSA and how do you treat it? So, for diagnosis, it requires proper history. There are some subjective scales that we use to assess whether the patient is at risk. Usually, the patient presents to us with uncontrolled hypertension or excessive sleepiness in the day. So, the patient is subjected to something known as a sleep study, wherein he sleeps in a room with computer monitoring and some monitoring on the body with respect to brain waves monitoring, oxygen monitoring, and movements of eyes, etc. This is then calculated by the technician overnight and they give us a report wherein we come to know whether the patient has some amount of sleep apnea or no. The treatment, depending on the report, is basically CPAP or BiPAP titration, wherein the patient has to keep a machine. The purpose of the machine is to throw air forcefully while you breathe so that your blocked areas of the throat open up and you have a good intake of air and your problems get solved.